Hello, I'm Michael of BrightTally, and today we're going to discuss how to create your own poll. Creating a new poll is easy. Simply put in the poll title and continue on to the templates page. Start with a template. Move on to the voting choices. Put in all your voting choices. These can include emojis. On the next page, you can see styling for your template that you chose. Make any changes that you'd like, and then you can move on to the next page. On the settings page, we can set the poll's end date and many other options. Many advanced features are available as well. It's that easy.